What up, guys? Welcome back to Ouija's Wildlands, and that's exactly where we are. Today we're going to be feeding all of my pets, well, all of my pets except one. We can't feed Ubiquitous because he only eats once or twice a month, but all my other pets, we're going to be feeding them today. Alright, so as you know, I recently got a new snake. Her name is Spectra. She's a banana pied ball python. She's just a baby. We fed her once on this channel. The clip of it was really trash. We're gonna try and get a better one, but I can already tell the future me got a little bit of the glass door in the frame, but you still get to see her eat, and it was her first official strike in the Ouija's Wild World house. I gotta go find that. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go, sweetheart. Grab that. Get it. Nice. Let's go. Lost the tail, but let's go. Heck yeah. Good job, Specs. Good job. Hell yeah. Alright, guys, my camera cut out, but it was just in time to get the feeding, so that's perfect. We just got Spectra's first feeding on camera. Can't ask for more than that. Heck yeah, Spectra! I'm so stoked that she had a good feeding. That is a positive sign. We're going to be getting to her new enclosure very soon here and get her out of that quarantine setup, because she deserves some better thriving life quality very soon. But next up on the line, we have the crazy little firecracker house snake named Baku-San. Let's get right into her eating. Alright, let's get the Baku-San, the house snake, fed. The first time we filmed her on camera, we got a great feeding, so let's see how she does this time. Oh, she's already coming out there. I know you can't really see her on the camera because she's, oh, there she is. She's kind of hiding right behind. Alright, Spectra. I mean, not Spectra. Come on, Baku. Come on, Baku. Come on, Baku. Come on, Baku. Oh, that was awesome. Great job, Baku. That was sick. Wow, she has such a perfect coil, man. How badass is that? Like, that is just... I just love it. I just love it. Let's go, Baku-san! Yeah, I love her freaking coils, man. Her speed and her coils. I mean, that wasn't the fastest strike in the world, but her coil, oof. Grade A coils on that snake, you know what I'm saying? Last but not least, even though we do have a dream of making a snake-oriented reptile zoo, but right now we have 4 snakes and we're feeding 3 of them. So let's get into the Western hognose, Ouija. Let's see if we can find a Ouija wheat up in here. Little squeeber. Where you at, Squee? Where you at, Squee? This is my Western hognose. Oh, I just dropped her mouse. My Western hognose named Ouija. Where you at, Ouija? Where you at, Ouija? Are you in there, Ouija? Oh yeah, there she is. Can you guys see her? Oh yeah, you can see her. Okay. Let's go, Ouija. Let's go, Ouija. It's up here. It's up here, Ouija. Look, Ouija, it's up here. It's up here, Ouija. It's up here, Ouija. Oh! Let's go, Ouija. Let's go. I was showing my buddy one of her feedings compared to my other snakes, and he's like, why is he so, like, chill about it? And, well, the main reason is my other 2 snakes are constrictor snakes. Ouija is a hognose snake, which means that she is a rear fang venomous snake. So she doesn't constrict her prey. She grabs them in their mouth, gets your rear fangs in there. Usually it's a frog, so she'd pop the frog, injects that venom into the prey, and then lets the venom do the work. And that was Ouija. A gem of a snake. One of the sweetest you'll ever meet in your life. Ever. The sweetest snake in the planet. Ever. That ever lived. Anyways, so this video is titled something about feeding all my pets. So there is one other pet that I have. He did come out the other day. I'll show you a picture. Guys, this is Frank, the scorpion. He's a one-of-a-kind kind of guy, if you ask me. However, those pictures or picture I just showed you, that is the first time I have seen him in like 6 months. And he's not out right now. I will drop a worm in there and I'll show you how I feed him. But I guarantee you will not see anything. You may hear a little something, but he may just let his worms scurry into the dirt because he has tunnels upon tunnels and he'll find that thing later. Let's feed Frank. We're feeding Frank. We're feeding Frank. We're feeding Frank. What do you think? Frank is not there. We don't see a Frank. But we're gonna drop a worm in there because Frank is in the tank. So we're gonna drop this worm in here. Oh, you can tell. You can tell by that reaction. I don't know how well you guys can see that. But that worm, that's not what a worm does unless it gets sniped up by a Frank. So Frank did just snipe that big old worm and we have a happy Frank up in there. And that was a Frank feeding for your. Can't say that on YouTube. I'm like just about to drop the vlog. Ubiquitous wanted to come hang out and he wasn't in the snake feeding video, so I figured I'd just introduce you guys anyways. This is Ubiquitous. He's the first snake I ever owned. He's a big boy for a male ball python. His morphs are cinnamon, spot nose, and he's heterogygous for a clown. And yeah, he's the big reason why I have 3 other snakes. I love this guy. He spends a lot of time, you know, just hiding, but there's certain seasons where he likes to come out and explore. And today, we just happened to bump into each other, so, you know, took him out, introduced him to you guys. Hope you like him. He loves you. I know this is just me holding the camera shot, kind of break up the vlog style a little bit. But if you're new to the channel, I don't just do reptile stuff. I'm also an artist, a rapper, a rock balancer. Apparently, well, I also have a friend named Archibald Sailor. He comes on the vlog time to time. But regardless, I hope you're enjoying the show. And you know what? I need to be real with y'all for a second. It's currently like 5 in the morning. The sun's starting to come out already. I'm just finishing up this edit of this vlog you're watching right now. Yeah, I just want to say my bad. I know it's been 13 days since I dropped a vlog. I've been dealing with life and progressing with things like music. And there was this painting I started making and it ended up taking me 12 days to finish, and I don't even know if I like it. I think I like it. I feel like it's dope, but it confuses me. So I literally like made the painting once, destroyed half of it, and created it again. And this is the first time I ever tried to vlog creating a painting. So like that process messed me up a bit. I missed some steps. I did do this, I didn't do that. Sorry if you can hear this clicking. I gotta tighten my stand apparently. But regardless, if you just came for the reptiles, subscribe and then you can leave. It's all good. This is for the random people that are watching the reptiles and go, I like art, I'm curious what happens here, and then they watch this. It's kind of a long montage. First time I've made an art montage, so I mean bear with me, but it is what it is. Regardless, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.